Right. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. We want to thank everyone once again, and that's what it's all about. When you see those smiles light up when they roll out a bike or see those toys.
I saw that last year, and it was just an amazing sight, and we're less than a week away from Christmas.
Yes, we are. Meanwhile, I know that you are seriously checking the latest conditions heading into the weekend because there is a chance of some serious weather.
You're right, Trent. We're watching severe weather that could potentially be impacting our weekend and your shopping plans or any of your festivities, and I'm tracking that very carefully. We'll talk about that in a second, but first, our live shot with our eye in the sky. Oh, you don't like seeing this. This is traffic on I-65 on both north and southbound lanes. So if mom or dad are late getting home for dinner, you know why. You can see the roadways with your own eyes here. Let's go out to our weather headlines. We do have a warm-up. That warm-up begins tomorrow. We could see near record warmth on Saturday when we have temperatures near 73 degrees. When temperatures are that warm, we know severe weather is potentially a problem, especially this time of year. This is our secondary severe weather season, and that's why the system that's moving through this weekend is something we're watching very carefully. So severe storms not out of the question this weekend, but we're looking cooler but dry for Christmas. That's looking pretty good. As far as the temperatures go, well, they're warm across Texas, and this air is going to be moving in our direction for tomorrow and into Saturday, and then the cooler, dry air to the north will be smashing up against it. That's part of the ingredients of nasty weather. 58 Birmingham, 56 Pelham, Gadsden, you're at 48, 57 Anniston, Ashland at 54 degrees at this hour. As far as the satellite goes, clouds are racing in. You see all of this. This is ahead of that storm system, so we will be seeing increasing clouds tonight. As far as Titan 3D radar goes, well, there's some snow off to the north. The system that's coming together is out here in the west. It's going to meet up with some Gulf moisture, and that's what's really going to come into play. So this is the latest data that we just got in from our Titan cast. It goes through the days hour by hour. So tomorrow morning we're going to see cloudy skies. There'll be enough moisture out there to see a couple of scattered showers, especially in the evening. Here we are at 11:45 on Saturday. More scattered showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms, with the atmosphere being a little bit ripe, especially if there's a little bit of pops of sunshine. You see that could develop in East Alabama. Here it is at 6 o'clock. Here's the big point. Saturday night going into Sunday morning is the big time what we're watching for severe weather. This is what our latest model data is showing. At 9:30 in the morning, it looks more like widespread rain with a few thunderstorms involved. But, however, some other computer models and some other thinking here could keep this in a line that could be broken. And if that line becomes broken individually with cells, that could produce some damaging winds, maybe even an isolated tornado. But as of right now, it will be weakening as it goes through the state on Sunday afternoon. This is what I'm expecting for threat levels for 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Sunday. The tornado level, low. Hail and flooding, not a big concern, but it's the straight-line winds that I'm concerned the most about. So that will be widespread power outages if that hits with a line. So that's something we're watching very, very carefully. All right, our forecast for tonight, 46 degrees, increasing clouds, not nearly as cold. And for tomorrow, we're looking pretty good as far as temperature, 68 degrees, much warmer, a few pops of sunshine, scattered showers possible. Our extended forecast now, 68 degrees for Friday, 73, that's unheard of, right? 73 here in December, and that's again part of the ingredients of nasty weather that could be developing Saturday night into Sunday morning. Strong morning winds are what we're looking at, and then Tuesday and Wednesday, can't forget about Christmas. 49 for Christmas Eve, and Santa, well, you're going to deal with upper 20s and clear skies. No worries for him. But again, as we go into this weekend, it's going to be changing. It's still a little bit far out. Each model run we do can be a little bit different.
Sure.
But I think we need to have those batteries in the weather radios, and you know, it's the holidays. Enjoy it, but just remember, it could be some nasty weather.
Keep it right here. Monitor the storm also online, CBS42.com. All right, Ted, I know you'll stay